Hello guys, this is Franklin again from Frank Tech. So today we'll be looking at 5 apps that I use often and hope you all find it useful as well. So without any further ado, let's get started right after the intro. So the first app in the list is Everything Search tool that is available. And if you're trying to search profile, for example, CV underscore Franklin, it gave me the search results very quickly. So as you can see, I have the document in C drive. The shortcuts are in C drive, and there is a copy in the download folder as well. There are few copies in D drive and E drive as well, which is an external drive. So it shows all the search results here very quickly, and I did not do anything manually. So if I go to this PC and go to your default Windows search, I have the search terms already. So if I look for CV underscore Franklin, for example, this one, and let's see how much time does it take. It's working on it. Same, I start with, I have it here already. So not only this file, if I want to search for photo, the oxygen, so it is very quick compared to the default Windows search. Let's be honest, Windows search is getting better, but not as quick as Everything Search. So this is a very useful utility if you're on Windows. The second tool we'll be looking at is the X mouse button control. So if you are using a mouse with multiple keys, additional keys like a gaming mouse, and you want to set up certain action, you can use this. This is very low on memory. It uses around a megabyte of RAM when it's running. And for example, my middle scroll or the middle click doesn't work. It stopped working, so I have mapped the additional keys on my mouse, gaming mouse, to middle click. So you have certain other options which you can configure. So if you want media volume up, media volume down, you can do that as well. So it will work on the mouse keys. The only con of using this is that when you have scroll lock enabled, the functionality is off. So if I just press those additional keys, it's not highlighting and it doesn't work. So you have to make sure the scroll lock is off, and it should be fine. The third app on the list is Outplayed. So this is a free utility that is available, and you can use it to record your gameplay footage. So if you are playing games like Valorant or League of Legends, for example, which I play the most, you have settings which you can configure for each game individually. So do you want to record the full match and other settings as well? Why to use this when compared to the default apps which are available like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or something like AMD's software that is available? Those softwares record in good quality, but they take a lot of space on your computer. And apart from that, this tool gives you bookmarks or timestamps when you got kills, deaths, or assists. So, for example, in this one, I have deleted the videos from the file explorer, so it's just showing the thumbnails of these ones. You can just click on remove video and it should go away. It will show you the death timestamp, and it will show you the footage as well, assist and kills, and for the victory as well. So this is an excellent software for gamers. But the only con being, I found that one being that it shows the timestamps after the video is gone from the file explorer. If you delete it from here, it should be fine. So if I click on delete match, it should be fine. It would go out. It would delete the video and the entry from here. But the other con being, it has ads. It's a small banner towards the right, which doesn't interrupt a lot, so that can be neglected. An excellent software for recording gameplay footage. Apart from this, if you're looking for a good image viewer, the default Photos app in Windows 10 and 11 is good, but it's slow and it doesn't give you a lot of options within the So this was edited using the software editor after focus. So I think that's why it's not showing the metadata. But if we take another image, for example, like these ones are edited as well. So this was not a good best example, but if you use any of the stock camera photo, you will see the exit data towards the right. And it gives you a lot of options like setting a wallpaper, editing the file a little bit, editing the image a little bit, and it's excellent image viewer for your Windows machine. The fifth software that we'll be looking at is Wiztree, which is an excellent alternative to Windows tab. My C drive is an SSD, so if I just click on scan, it would be very quick to scan and show me what is consuming the most storage. So this is useful when you want to free up space from your computer and you don't know what is taking up that space. So this is very useful. And for example, if you have a hard drive, not an SSD, like my D drive, it is quicker than Windows Stat as well, or other tools. So it should be done in a few seconds. It's done. Most of the space is taken by my Steam library, which is full of games, so 830 GB. So similarly, I have an external drive as well, which is WD external. It's an USB 3 drive, 2 terabyte drive, so it is fast as well. So as you can see, it provides you graphs and storage graphs and other details as well, which might be helpful for you. The personal or for personal use, it's free. You can use Wiztree as an excellent software for daily use. Apart from this, I have few honorable mentions like RTX Voice. It's a very simple tool. If you have an RTX or a GTX graphic card in your computer or laptop, you can use this tool to remove the background noise, and it works great. An excellent software to have. And the best part that it's free for doing an amazing work. I have a blog about that on how to set it up, and the samples of that I'll mention that in the description down below. The other tool I would like to share is Universal Media Server. You can host your content on the local network. So for example, if you have a lot of movies on your external drive like me, and if you want to watch those content from which is on your computer to and stream it to your Android TV or your mobile device, you can just use streaming softwares and stream from this host. If you have another laptop, you can do it via VLC. You can just go to the playlist icon here, and from there you can just click on Universal Plug and Play, and it should show up here the content if it's on the same network, like on the same Wi-Fi or the LAN. That's all from my end. So hope you'll find this video useful and the software that I shared. Do give it a try, and if you did install one of these softwares, please do like the video and comment down below in case if you have any feedbacks or suggestions, and subscribe to my channel for amazing content like this, and hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.